We are here at the Clayton Metro Garage in Clayton, Missouri. And over here, we have one of the elevators. And guess what happened to it? That's right. It was modernized. So as of recording this, which is November of 2025, this is the only modernized elevator. All the other three are still original. And I'm not sure if the others are getting modernized or not, but either way, this is my first ride on this newly modernized elevator. So let's see how it is. Seems like the cab is exactly the same. Got a nice, shiny new innovation panel. So let's go to 7. And back down to 2. Go ahead and take one more ride up to 7. Not sure how quite in depth this mod really was. You can see here's the original key switch. So that kind of tells me it wasn't as much as I thought. It looks like the paneling's the same, like the old cab. New buttons, obviously. You can definitely tell it's a new panel. The ride quality is, it feels similar to the original one. This could have just been like a controller and fixture slap-on replacement as well. I guess it parks on 2, so we'll right up to 7 again. I guess we'll just go ahead and end out here. So I'm kind of curious now if the other elevators will receive this same mod or if it's just going to be this one. This one is right next to the new AC hotel, so that could be part of it. But like I said, the other ones are still original as of November 2025. So that's it.